All right, language explorers. So, let's have a look at this week's Saturday phrasal verbs. So, fix up. Let's try and get a picture. Oh, perfect. Yes, look at that. To repair something. Yeah. To repair something. To make something better than it was before. Yeah. Yeah. So, he is... Oh, let's change that. He is fixing up his car. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I might need to fix up the book. It needs repairing and rewriting and changing and tweaking. He wants to fix up the machine. Yeah, to make it better, to improve it. She will fix up the tiles, for example. The tiles on the wall. Yeah. He wants to fix up his car. Yeah, definitely, in the photo. Yeah. There are plans to fix up the office, to make the office better. We will fix up the office and make it more modern. Yeah. We can do all sorts of things for it. Yeah, that will help fix it up, make it, improve it, make it better, cooler, just amazing. How cool is that? How cool is that? So, we fixed up the building last year. Yeah, but I thought we fixed it up already, but we obviously didn't. Yeah. We obviously didn't. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Oops. Okay. Very good. Yeah. How cool is that? We're currently fixing up the place. So we have a new apartment to live in, but we're currently fixing it up so it is nicer to live in. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. So before long the factory will have been fixed up. Yeah. So we had all these buildings, but they were damaged and need to be fixed up. Yeah, otherwise we can't use them. They were damaged. Otherwise we can't use them. Yeah, they need to be fixed up, repaired, rebuilt. Fixed up and repaired. Yeah, quite important. Yeah. So before they can sail, they need to fix up the boat because sometimes it leaks. Yeah, the boat. Very good. Yeah, the boat. Yeah. Sometimes it leaks. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Very good. So, can you use fix up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. When you search for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.